Hey guys, this is my first wig tutorial video. In this video, I will show you all how I achieve this custom color lace frontal look, and I hope that you all can learn something new from the video. The hair that I will be customizing in this video is from Mayvenn.com. I'll have a link in the description in case anyone is interested in purchasing this wig. It's their Virgin Brazilian Loose Wave Lace Frontal Wig. It comes black, as you can see, and I'll be showing you how I dyed it and lightened it and customized my frontal. I don't really measure how much developer and bleach that I use. I kind of eye it, but if you want to measure it, I suggest that you do if you're not comfortable with eyeing it, so that you don't over bleach the hair, because you can over bleach it and it'll pretty much destroy the hair. I section the wig into different parts so that it's easier to dye, because lightening hair that's already on a wig is kind of a mess and it can get messy, and especially with 22-inch hair, it can take pretty long. Bleach acts pretty fast, so you want to try to get through your sections as quickly as possible so that you don't over bleach the strands. I bleached my knots off camera. My next video, I'll probably show you guys how I go about bleaching my knots, but it's a method that I saw from another YouTuber, and I'll just show you how I do the same type of method. For the dye, I used Adore Colors French Cognac and Cinnamon. These kind of look the same to how the hair looked once I lightened it, but it still adds a little bit of a gradient to the hair so that it's not all one color. I let the dye stay on the hair for about 30 minutes and then I washed it out and conditioned it. Then I blow dried it with my hairbrush blow dryer. Some people let it air dry, but I pretty much wanted to just get it over with. And then I styled it after with a wand curler. Some pretzels can be pretty large depending on where you get it from, but this one fit actually okay around my hairline, so I didn't need to like cut the size or anything like that. I did cut the front of the lace off camera, and through the rest of this video, I'll just show you how I customized and laid the lace in the front. If you've watched any other YouTube wig tutorial video, you'll notice that a lot of people use the Got To Be Glue gel or their freeze dry spray. For this one, I use one of their newer products, which is the Insta Hold. It works pretty quick, like they weren't kidding when they said it was Insta Hold, and it holds onto your edges, which kind of makes them unmanageable, and it can get really messy and sticky. What I'll probably do in my next video is show you how I use the regular, like the actual lace glue, and how I managed to not get it on my edges. Sound off in the comments to let me know what other type of wig tutorials you would like to see me do. I'll be adding 2 more wig tutorial videos that are based on Mayvenn wigs. It'll be the same type of hair but different colors. So I'll see you in the next videos.